TV.
Right, so we just got back from a day's fishing in Falmouth on the Seriola, going for tuna. It was incredible, the whole thing. Just doing a quick intro because we didn't really make a film, we've just scratched some stuff together to give you guys and girls an idea of what it's all about. Basically what you'll see unfold in the videos and pictures that I've scrambled together is that you go out on the boat, skippered by Gary Thomas, you're looking for flocks of birds. Where the birds are is mackerel, whitefish, whatever the tuna happen to be feeding on at the time, and you head towards them. You've got your teasers out at the back like a group of 10 little lures bouncing along the surface, attracting the tuna. As you get up close, you start seeing, I believe they call it busting, where they're breaking the water and splashing, chasing the fish. And then you start seeing them, you know, this huge tuna, 400, 500 pound, 300 pounders. And it's like, whoa, here we go. Next thing you see, you're marking them on your fish finder, and it's like, it's getting exciting now. Then you're seeing them behind the teasers bouncing on the surface as you're going along. Next thing you know, there's a massive explosion and the rod's off and you're away. You guys and girls, you've got to get on this. It's the most exciting fishing I've done possibly ever, if not for years. It's just amazing. So, hope you enjoy the video. It's not great footage because my little mate Twonk, he's never learned that you don't hold your camera that way, you can't hold your camera that way. It's all the great footages I filmed, but we've put it together. It's as good as we can do, and I hope it gives you guys an idea of what it's all about. Full contact details for Gary are at the end of this little film. So get on it and have some fun. Awesome stuff.
We are 15 minutes into a possible 500 challenge. It's about to say goodbye to this absolute monster.
They're under the boat, high on the surface.
Birds everywhere.
With my extensive knowledge of tuna fishing, as I'm now a seasoned pro, we're going to get a massive explosion on our floating lure thing.
That's very professional.
This is exciting stuff. Got a couple of goes. Still one back in the river. We're tantalisingly close to a fight.
Oh,
and
shit!
There's no swearing or anything. The legend, the skipper, the Twonk. How you feeling, mate?
Right.
Wind that bitch in. Come on, we want this. Hey, I told you, didn't it, boy? You alright?
Yeah, it just caught me on the way. He pulled as I was rocking with the way. Just hanging deep.
Hanging deep.
Could be a better one, this one.
Look at that rod bending.
Yeah, it's the better one, I think. The other one,
So what's the latest situation?
He's just pinwheeling down deep.
Pinwheeling! I'll try my best to video this nicely.
This one, yeah. Competitive.
The Twonk is on. Here we are, Gary, Lars, Tim. Tim, here's, what did we say that was?